In the short term, it's all about digitization. And when I say digitization, it's not just turn a paper process into a digital process. It's a much more involved reimagining of how trade finance services and corporate banking more broadly are delivered. And I've talked about that in the past. Where the real excitement, where the really blue ocean thinking comes in, is when you recognize that being digital means that you can blur the boundaries of banking. Now, what do I mean by that? First and foremost, the moment you start using data to make decisions, to drive your processes as a bank, you can start ingesting data from other sources. You can start linking up a much broader ecosystem than a corporate bank normally does. And when I look at this in the context of trade, for example, I recognize that there's an entire diverse ecosystem that goes from the farmer on one end to the supermarket shelf on the other, and in between literally dozens and dozens of agents, be it logistics, be it insurance, be it phytosanitary government agencies, etc., etc., etc. Now, once we go digital and once these other go digital, we can create a single ecosystem, a single, if you like, platform, although it's much more complicated than a single platform, to deliver value proposition for individual actors within that chain, particularly the farmer, i.e. the seller, or the ultimate buyer, to create the most innovative solutions that we may not even think about. But just to give you a concrete example, if you can really create an ecosystem that traces a product from the ground to the supermarket chain, including insurance and warehousing, you can help a client, be it the ultimate buyer or be it an intermediate trader, to know when that particular good has been boxed, containerized, shipped, arrived, and put out to the shelf. What that means for a bank is the ability to finance in real time, transparently, your client, but at the same time offer insurance, offer logistics services, offer inventory management. And that fundamentally is where we need to go. So what we're doing at AGGB today is taking advantage of the latest technology combined with the new mindset that we're bringing to it in order to be ready to take advantage and actually participate and encourage the building of these new ecosystems to really actualize banking as a service and then move beyond banking.